HTML code is the set of instructions that tell the computer how to structure and display a web page. If you created your own web page from scratch, chances are you used HTML. If someone else built your site, they probably used HTML in the process. If you're not familiar with HTML coding, I suggest seeing my lesson on learning HTML. Otherwise, feel free to follow along and watch. With your internet browser open, navigate to the Denver Post website at www.denverpost.com. Once the page has loaded, click the View menu option above the browser field, and from the drop-down menu, click Source. A text editor opens, and here's the HTML code for the home page of the Denver Post website. Let's maximize the window so we can take a better look at it. The meta information for our site is located in the header portion of the HTML code. This remains mostly invisible to our visitors, but it is very important to search engines. Since search engine robots, the programs that crawl the World Wide Web looking for new web pages, read pages from top to bottom, the meta information is our first chance to catch their attention and make an impression. Meta information is the HTML code that includes, at a glance, the details of what is on that page. Depending on the page we are visiting, a variety of meta information can be included in this part of the code. For the purposes of SEO, let's look at meta title, meta description, and meta keywords. We need to make sure that the meta title includes the keyword we are looking to rank for. It should be as close to the beginning of the title as possible. In our example, the meta title is Home, the Denver Post. Possible keywords include Denver, Colorado, and News. The meta title information will also appear in the top left-hand corner of our browser. And this is what search engines use for a title when our page appears in the results for a query. Next, we need to look at the meta description. The information here should be a sentence or two long, consisting of about 200 characters including spaces. We need to use proper grammar when writing this information, and not just select information from the web page content at random, so search engines will use our words to show in the results. We should also include the keyword we are optimizing for, once again, as close to the beginning of the description as we can. Since this text is what the user will see right under the title in the search results, this is also our only chance to convince them why they should visit our page, as opposed to all the other pages in the results. The meta description should briefly tell the user what they will find when they arrive on our web page. If the purpose of the page is to sell yoga mats, we need to tell them exactly that, and why our page is the best place to get this product. For instance, we could say the following. We offer a large variety of yoga mats in different colors and sizes. We guarantee our merchandise and our prices are competitive. Order today and receive a 10% discount. Just as any other good sales pitch, the meta description should include benefits followed by features and a call to action. Things to avoid in the description include a bullet point list, using all caps and an excessive number of exclamation points, outrageous claims, and a large number of keywords. An example of what not to do would be, yoga mats for sale. Get your yoga mats here. Best, cheapest yoga mats in the world. Green yoga mats, yellow yoga mats, white yoga mats. This does not benefit the user. And this format forces Google to look elsewhere on our page for information to include in the results. As a result, we miss a golden opportunity to bring visitors to our page. The meta keywords are the third part of the meta information for our web page. Although meta keyword information was used extensively in the past, for a variety of reasons, search engines have been largely ignoring them over the past few years. Since they are no longer as important in the HTML code, we will not cover them in depth in this lesson.